In today's edition of AGF Consulting Group Micro-Learning Videos, let's take a more in-depth look at Clause 4.0, Context of the Organization. What exactly does the new ISO 9001 mean about context of the organization? Clause 4.0 of the new ISO 9001 contains the following. 4.1, Understanding the organization and its context. 4.2, Understanding the needs and expectations of interested parties. 4.3, Determining the scope of the quality management system. And 4.4, Quality management system and its processes. Let's start with 4.1, Understanding the organization and its context. As stated by the standard, organizations shall determine external and internal issues that are relevant to its purpose and its strategic direction, and that affect its ability to achieve the intended results of the quality management system. We are also required to monitor and review information related to the identified internal and external issues. External issues of the organization can be legal, market, cultural, technological, social, economic, international, national, regional, local, or any issues related to the business from an external perspective. Internal issues are the values, culture, knowledge, or performance of the business organization. Now, this is new in ISO 9001 and may be difficult or too broad a concept to understand. It is crucial to emphasize, however, that it is important to take time to really understand the context of your business organization by examining what are internal and external issues that are currently affecting your business or issues that may have potential impact on your organization. The old, reliable SWOT analysis is a useful guide for this process. Next is 4.2, which talks about understanding the needs and expectations of interested parties. As stated by the standard, due to the impact or potential impact on the organization's ability to consistently provide products and services that meet customer, applicable statutory and regulatory requirements, the organization shall determine interested parties that are relevant to the quality management system. Requirements of interested parties. Your interested parties can be your customers, suppliers, investors, employees, and other stakeholders. You can begin with simple stakeholders register with their identified needs and expectations about your products, services, or your organization in general. These are answers to the basic question as to who are your stakeholders and what do they need and want. It is followed by 4.3, which then state the importance of determining the scope of the quality management system. As stated by the standard, the organization shall determine the boundaries and applicability of the quality management system to establish the scope. Not all of the elements of ISO 9001 may be applicable to the size and nature of your business organization. Identifying what is applicable will clearly set the boundaries and applicability of the ISO 9001 to your quality management system. Lastly, 4.4, Quality Management System and its processes. This is a good opportunity to design and develop the right processes, especially those processes that have vital impact to the quality of your products or services. We call these processes directly related to quality. In order to design the right processes, consider the following important elements: inputs and outputs of the process, sequence and interaction, criteria, methods, measurements, and indicators to ensure effective operation and control of the processes. resource requirements, responsibilities and authorities, risk and opportunities. This is a new requirement in ISO 9001. Methods for monitoring, measurement, evaluation, and required changes to achieve intended results. Evaluation of these processes and implementation of any changes needed to ensure the intended results. It is also important to note, as stated by the ISO 9001 standard, that the organization shall maintain documented information to the extent necessary to support the operation of the processes and retain documented information to the extent necessary to have confidence that the processes are being carried out as planned. Before you establish your quality management system, be sure to spend some time to define the context of your organization by truly identifying internal and external issues that affect your organization's purpose and strategic direction, the needs and expectations of your interested parties, the sequence, resources, risk, and opportunities of the right processes needed in your business organization. To know more about how to go through 4.0 context of the organization of the new ISO 9001, go to our website at www.agfconsultinggroup.com or simply click the subscribe button below for updates.